My name is Ellie Chanarak.
My name is Andra Jankowski.
My name is Luke Visano. I'm a junior at Glenbard South High School, and I'm enrolled in the Professional Cooking, Baking, and Service program.
I got interested in culinary arts and baking and pastries because I used to bake with my grandma and we used to make cookies. And then I got into high school and I realized this is a lot of fun and I want to learn everything about it, and TCD lets me do that.
The first thing we did was ServSafe, which is a cleanliness certification that you can get, which you can actually get to work in a restaurant, which is very helpful. Then we did various rotations of cooking, baking, and service.
How it's set up now is when you first come in, you either pick baking or cooking. And then after, I think, 3 weeks of time, after you've done the foundation, so you do, for the first 3 weeks, we have to get organized. So you get your uniform, you get your notes, and you do a little bit of both so you can decide what you want to do.
In the culinary section of the rotation, we kind of start out with learning different types of knife cuts and how to sharpen your knife. You start with simple with stocks, kind of soups, vegetables, sautéing, things like that. Stuff that kind of creates the base for a culinary dish.
So I'm in baking, and we do things from puff pastry to pies and cakes, and we're actually going into tarts right now. So we're going to do lemon tarts and pear almond tarts, and it's really exciting.
As a second-year student, one of the main units that you do is you plan and manage a restaurant, conceptual, and you present that to the chefs and to the other students, and you basically like mock CEO that whole process, and it really helps you, like, especially if you're planning on going into that field. That'll really give you the experience you need.
The ProStar competition was the exact thing as we did a second year, so our second year project. So we created a restaurant, and then we had to build up our restaurant, so we made a slideshow, and then we presented our slideshow in front of strangers. That part was terrifying, just to let you know. It was hard work. We met up every week to make this restaurant, and when we thought it was perfect, my chef was like, nope, do it again. It's not good yet. You have to keep going. So we worked on it for a long time. We rushed a little bit at the end, but we won third.
TCD's helped me by really focusing on like what's important for me. I've limited like my homeschool classes down to 4 main classes, and then here at TCD, it's basically another really important class to me. That's really helped me focus for my future, because like this is what I want to do, and those 4 classes and plus TCD it's what's going to help me get there.
For students who are interested in cooking or even would like to try it, I think this is a great program for that. It gives you a little bit of taste of culinary and baking, which is awesome because you might not know which one you like to do. And even if you're already working in the industry right now, like students have jobs at fast food places. For me personally, it gave me the option to move up and be promoted to a higher position, which isn't much, but as a high school student, making a little bit more money just makes that the difference, getting prepared for school. And that is all provided through the certifications you get in culinary here and baking.